How to see deleted messages on WhatsApp. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can see deleted messages on WhatsApp. Now to view deleted messages, all you have to do is first export your chat to your Google Drive or anywhere else, and then you can open it up and read it. Now let me guide you how you can do it. Simply open up WhatsApp and you'll get an interface like this. Tap on the three dots option that you'll find at the top right corner of your screen and head into settings. Once on settings, head into the fourth option, chats, and here you'll find the option chat history. You can see at the bottom the last option, chat history. Simply tap on chat history and now you'll find four different options. What you want to do is simply tap on export chat here and select the chat that you want to view the deleted messages from. Now I'll just select this first option here. Now you can include media or exclude media. Including media simply means including all audio files and the video files and pictures that you have sent, all the media files that you have sent or received on the chat as well. So I'll suggest you to include media as well. Simply tap on include media and you can see you'll get list of options at the bottom of the screen. Where do you want to export your chat? Now you can simply export it to your Google Drive, or if you want to share it with someone, you can share it there. And then you can, if you just want to read it, you can export it to your Google Drive, and once you export it to your Google Drive, you can open it up and read it up. So this way you can see deleted messages on WhatsApp. However, you'll have to have backup enabled. Now to enable backup, here under chats option you can see the option chat backup. Simply tap on it and here you'll find the option backup to Google Drive. Simply make sure to back it up daily here. So this way you can see deleted messages on WhatsApp. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.